to put the top down, the key has to be on. The car has to have the brake on, and then you engage this switch right here. But first you have to unlock this. You press this, pull this back, and then you hit this switch. And away it goes. And then there are no lights that are indicated. There's no check engine light or anything like that. We have the automatic that it tells you what gear you're in. It's just all beautifully engineered, as you'd expect from Porsche. The one thing that I can find as an imperfection is there's a little bit of chafing, probably from a wedding ring on this piece here. It's really minor, but I imagine you can get one of these to replace that if that really bothered you. There's a little glove box here, which is kind of fun, and that's also locking. If you leave the top open, you have that. And then this is an ashtray, which doesn't look like it's ever been used, which is nice. You have a great sound system. I don't know if you could hear any of that in the prior video. You have a storage locker here. There's another little wear spot right there, and somebody unfortunately tore this, and that can be restored if it bothered you. I hadn't even noticed that right away, but it is definitely an interior issue. This can be repaired. This can be repaired. You have lots of different options with that, but I would tend to just leave it. You have a little storage locker here, 2 cup holders, a lot of blanks. These are blank switches for other lighting or accessories. These are the window actuators, the heater controls. This fancy Pioneer thing controls the 5 CDs, the lighting over here, cruise control, high beams and turn signals, wipers, an infinitely intermittent variable. I'm sorry, cruise control is here. Select, escape, and enter. We're gonna have to look that up. I'm foiled, but nonetheless, the manual's here, so you have all kinds of reading to do if you get this car. It's way more electronically sophisticated than what I'm used to. And it's tinted glass as well, you can see that, which is kind of nice. And then this nice wind deflector, this Bose subwoofer right here too. So that gives you a nice bass. I mean, all in all, this is just a very clean example. I'll show you the driver's seats. Not all chafed here. There's a little bit of wear here, but it's really minor. And there's a little storage pouch back here behind both seats. But seat belt, the top folded down. The doors close beautifully and the gaps all look good. You know, you get the idea. It's just a really good Boxster. Thanks for watching from Bugeyeguys.